How to fix iCloud sign out not working on iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. Guys, first of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to cellular data or Wi-Fi and your internet is working properly. Usually you face this problem when your internet is slow or not working. Now let's start the video. To fix iCloud sign out, first open the settings menu on your device. Now swipe down to see screen time and tap on it. Swipe down again and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Here turn on content and privacy restrictions. Enter the screen time passcode. Now go to back menu and tap on change screen time passcode. Here turn off screen time passcode. Enter the screen time passcode to confirm. Now go back to iCloud menu and check if iCloud sign out is working or not. So guys, as you can see that the sign out is working now. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.